Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make hummus without tahini. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed well. Next, prepare 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice to add a zesty kick. Don't forget 1 minced clove of garlic for that essential savory note. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil ready to achieve a wonderfully smooth consistency. This recipe is incredibly easy and delicious. Now let's get blending. Add your drained chickpeas, fresh lemon juice, minced garlic, and olive oil into a food processor. To help achieve that perfect creamy texture, gradually add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cold water. Begin processing the mixture, stopping occasionally to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Continue blending until the hummus is mostly smooth, but don't worry if it's not perfectly silky just yet. We're building the foundation for a fantastic dip. To achieve the ultimate smooth texture, keep processing the hummus. If it seems too thick, add more cold water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches a wonderfully creamy, almost whipped consistency. Now for the best part, tasting. Take a small spoonful and adjust the seasonings. You might want to add a pinch of salt or a dash of black pepper to enhance the flavors. This step ensures your hummus is perfectly tailored to your preference. Your delicious homemade hummus is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully transfer the creamy dip to a beautiful serving bowl. For an extra touch of elegance and flavor, drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil over the top. You can also garnish it with a sprinkle of paprika for color or some fresh chopped parsley. Serve your fresh hummus immediately with warm pita bread, crisp vegetables, or your favorite crackers. Enjoy this simple, flavorful, and tahini-free treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.